Hi guys. For those who are starting with Python programming, it is always recommended you go through this particular Anaconda package. This provides you editors, compilers, and everything whatever you need for Python programming. So, since my system is 64-bit Windows, I am downloading it first. Meanwhile, I'll just show how this particular page looks like. The page starts with individual edition headline, and you just have to go to that particular page and download that install file. And this is what Anaconda is used for. I'll just scroll down and show you how this page look like till this download finishes. It's almost finished, so let me go and install this. So I'll just go to that particular file and install it. There are several things which you have to make sure while installing, such as this one, whether it is for the user or for the entire user group. And another one you have to make sure is it is the path is linked. I'll just show it right right after this step. Yes, here you have to add the Anaconda to the system path environment variable, otherwise your command prompt CMD won't understand this particular Windows, whatever the compiler is. It won't understand where the Anaconda is, where the library functions are. So it's always recommended you add this Anaconda to the environment variable. And I'll just fast forward the entire installation procedure. Meanwhile the installation is taking place, I will just talk something about Anaconda and the packages available in it. So there is this particular package called Spyder. It's an editor plus compiler. So if you have already used MATLAB, it would be a better option to go with Spyder. Or there are other editor plus compilers too available, such as PyCharm, and there are a few other available editors plus compilers. And type Python, and if it is detected, then it's well and good, you can proceed. Because that means your system detects the Python provided by Anaconda. So I'll just start with Anaconda. So just type Anaconda. So here Anaconda navigator, go to Spyder. In that particular home page of Anaconda navigator, it's loading. So most of the researchers are right now working in Python as well as R programming, and I guess anyone who is working in programming or coding should be familiar with Python, because it has become so essential tool that you have to be familiar. So let me just click Spyder here, and I'm just launching it. And so here I'll just print out hello world, as all this beginners to programming does. I'll just write print and in the quotes hello world, just showing it's available, and but I don't need. I'll just exit this particular pop-up box. So just dismiss it and print hello world for the time being. So in the future video sections I will be talking more about Python, the variables, the uh, more about classes, structures, and databases, how to work on it, data frames, pandas, and modules, whatever I come across during my research. I will just share it with you over videos. So for the time being, I'll just close this video session by printing out this hello world. So just click run button, that red play button. So here there are options, but you need not be concerned about it for the time being. Just run, and in that right box you will see hello world. So that's all for today, guys. Have a nice day.